Let's clean the refrigerator together. This is Let Us Eat. I'm Suzanne Ridgway and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take everything out of my refrigerator, wipe down the mats to protect the shelves, clean them, wipe out all the bins, and organize all the food in it. Wipe out the door completely. It needs a good scrubbing. Every few months you should do your refrigerator to keep it running and in good order. If you are new here, thank you so much for dropping by and clicking on my link. Thank you to everybody who supports me each and every day. We have a new items giveaway. I need 10 subscribers in order for this to happen. Must comment and comment often. And if you're new, you must let me know that you are new in comments. My subscribe guy just popped up. He is asking everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. Please click on that subscribe word down below. Don't forget to tap on that bell. And all the information for my giveaways will be in my description box down below. We're going to clean my refrigerator today. We are shopping tonight and tomorrow. I'm going to take everything out of here, wipe it all down, and organize it as best as I can. It always ends up a hot mess. Since I've been keeping foil lined with the drinks and condiments, it's been staying nice and clean. But I'm going to prop the door open and start taking everything out. I'm going to start taking everything out, one shelf at a time. I'm going to go through everything. And discard what has gone bad. I'm going to wipe these down. These are the cutting boards from the Dollar Tree instead of the placement, which is $1 a piece. These are 2 for $1 and I buy these. Now I like to do my refrigerator every 2 to 3 months to keep it clean. My Lazy Susan is going to put here on the floor, and I want to wipe that down as well. I'm wiping it out. A nice soapy sponge here, and I'm just going to wipe it clean. And then with a separate sponge, wipe all the soap off. Rinse this one off, the cutting board here. I'm going to let it dry a minute and organize the bin here. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just going to take everything out. Just like on my bins, everything gets put where it doesn't belong. Take my guacamole cups out. My kid loves to eat these too, and the pudding. And we're going to wipe the tins out like we did the refrigerator. And they get very dirty very easily, as you can see. Okay, wipe them out. I'm going to place my cheese sticks right in the front. Easy grab. And take them out of the packages. I like to put the guacamole cups right in the front. I get a 10-pack at BJ's. An expert organizer. I just organize as best as I can. The pudding cups. Line in the front here. Making sure you can see. Looks like we got an open sausage link here. So I'm just going to put it into a sandwich baggie. Put the sausages up in the front for easy grab. My brick of cheese. The dates are good. And the cream cheese right in the front. And he's getting more sausages when we go to the market. And he has all this room now in the back. The Lazy Susan needs wiping down. And I think we have butter on the list for BJ's tonight. I like to buy butter bulk. It lasts a long time. That is nice and clean now. I'm going to put it into the refrigerator. And then put everything back on it. I just cleared out the top shelf. Each shelf is a different zone. And they need to be rinsed off, these mats. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the shelf. Let the water run for a moment. And start putting back the Gatorades for my husband. I'm going to let the trays dry a little bit. Then I'm going to take everything off the bottom shelf. And we're going to wipe that out. My husband got me Coffee Mate pumpkin spice that we found at Walmart. Or what might have been ShopRite, I don't remember which store. Cheese. And with this cheese. And that could be dumped out. I'll have to get Jack on another one. She's already heated it once. That's expired. The cranberry juice from Dollar Tree is a huge hit. I'm going to continue taking everything out to the fridge so we can wipe down the bottom shelf. We were going to have the steaks tonight, but we're going to do the steaks tomorrow night, I think. Pinky said it's going to be the better of the 2 days tomorrow. The bottom shelf needs a really good scrubbing. I'm going to rinse these off with hot soapy water. I'm going to scrub the bottom, and I'll be right back. I had to take the baskets all the way out at the bottom. My Keep Fresh broke, so I used those bins from Dollar Tree, and it does very well. And it was gross at the bottom, so I wiped it completely clean, and I put them back in. Now I'm going to put the cutting boards back in, and I love them because they're not busy, and they disappear into the shelves because they're clear. I am putting everything back. Put the steaks down here. Put the juice right over here. And put the celery up on top. It's looking good. I'm going to finish putting everything back. And clean up the door. The cheese, I have room now in the bin to put with the other cheeses. Just going to check the foil to see if it needs replacing. It's empty. Syrup down there. Relish. The chili up on top. Looks like we need to replace this one right here with the ketchup. I'll wipe this out and replace the foil. And put back everything in the door here. And ketchup. My youngest is a ketchup-aholic. This one's looking really good down here with all the drinks. So I don't need to do anything. He's got lots of room for ginger ale in his tea. The refrigerator is all done. And all the shelves are done and cleaned up and organized, including the bottom there. The door with the butter, all the condiments, and drinks at the very bottom are organized. Replaced foil where needed. Washed all the chopping mats. That is it for this video. We cleaned the refrigerator. It looks so much better than it did when we first looked into it. We cleaned up all the spills. We cleaned the mats for the shelves to protect it from drips. And it smells a lot better. I like to keep baking soda in a cup in the back of the refrigerator, which I'll replace in a little bit. because that just keeps it nice and fresh. And if you are new here, I appreciate you clicking on my link and checking me out and giving me a chance. Thank you to everyone who supports me each and every day. My subscribe guy just popped up. He's asking everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. Please click on that subscribe word down below. Don't forget to tap on that bell, and all the information for my giveaways when we reach 600 with the $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, as well as the items giveaway, will be in my description box down below.